Hey 7th graders, if you are watching this, you are hopefully my green group. I'll show you where to check here in a second. But this is a 2.6 populations assignment, and your learning target is I can predict the direct and indirect effects on a population if one population changes size. So your videos, obviously you found those on slide 2, but let's go double check whether or not you are the green group. So right here you guys have, click here to check your color group. Go ahead and right click that and open that link. Should pop you guys into Amplify, and first thing you guys should see if you are the green group is this big old tagline that says green group. If you are not green group, get into the correct video for the correct color. Alright, so green group, moving on, you guys, for this assignment we'll only complete slides 11 through 18. So let's go ahead and fast forward past the blue group's work and into slide 11. So each of these assignments is structured the same way, where you guys have a problem to solve. In this case, you guys are going to be focusing on an orca population. So population puzzles is orcas. Orcas are a type of whale. In the summer of 2007, ecologists observed that the numbers of orcas in the Glacial Sea, we'll go ahead and call it the Baltic Sea because the Glacial Sea is not a place, has decreased. So we're looking at lower orcas. Use the evidence they collected to explain why the population decreased. So how this will work is I will give you guys some initial evidence, and you guys will respond as to why you think these orca are decreasing in population based on what you guys see in this initial evidence, okay? After you guys have responded to that, I'll give you guys evidence card A. And you guys will learn new pieces of evidence, and you guys will kind of be able to build on your explanation through evidence B, and then you'll have a little bit more complete reasoning as to why the orcas are decreasing in size. All right, so let's look at our initial evidence. Ecologists found a normal number of adult orcas in the ecosystem, but they found fewer orca calves, which are babies, that were being born. Ecologists did not notice any change to the number of deaths in the orca population. So it kind of sounds like our deaths are staying the same, but our births are decreasing, okay? So go ahead and move on to slide 12. Why did the size of the orca population decrease? So give me your kind of initial thoughts based on the information I just gave you. Use the initial evidence to explain how the number of births and deaths caused the size of the population to decrease during the summer of 2007. So I'm going to have you guys go ahead and pause this video and finish responding to this evidence, this initial evidence for this question. When you guys are done, you guys can go ahead and unpause, and I will give you evidence A. All right, moving on, so you guys should have finished your initial response. Let's go ahead and take a look at evidence A. So on evidence card A, you guys are given this little food web where seals are eaten by orcas and therefore are giving their energies to the orcas. So you guys can kind of pay attention to the direction of that arrow. On evidence card A, you get 3 new pieces of evidence. So orca reproduction requires a lot of energy. If orcas don't have enough energy, then they won't reproduce. Okay, next one, to get energy, orcas eat seals, which contain energy storage molecules, and then the number of seals have decreased. So you guys just got a little bit more information to add on to your initial information. So go ahead and move on to slide 14, which says use evidence card A to create a more complete explanation about why the size of the orca population decreased. Okay, so go ahead, pause this video, take a second to respond. Think about what you guys learned in your initial evidence, what you guys just learned on evidence card A, and use those to develop your response here. All right, so go ahead and pause, and then I will give you evidence card B. All right, moving on, your final piece of evidence comes on evidence card B. So again, same little food web that you see there, but we have 3 new pieces of information. So seals have thick layers of fat on their bodies. This is where they have the most of their ESM. So if you eat a seal, you're getting most of the energy from these the fat that you find on that seal. Next one, the normal average weight of a Baltic Sea seal is 250 pounds. And then during the summer of 2007, the average weight of a Baltic Sea seal was 175 pounds. So it looks like our seals are weighing less. So finally, use that last piece of evidence from evidence card B to respond to why you guys think the orca are decreasing. Remember, now you guys have your initial evidence, your evidence card A, and now your evidence card B to add to your response, explaining why your orca population has been decreasing. Once you guys are done with that, you can go ahead and finish up your wrap-up. Do you have any questions? Circle yes or no. If you have any questions, type them in right here, but if it's something that's preventing you from finishing this assignment, let me know right away and I can help you out. And then finally, how do you feel you did on this assignment? Give me a circle around a 4, 3, 2, or 1 to let me know how you guys think you did. And you guys are done. You can go ahead and hand this in. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon.